In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your zone ID using Cloudflare. This is an essential step for any website administrator or developer who wants to manage their domain effectively. Whether you're troubleshooting, integrating with APIs, or just need detailed information for your records, knowing where to find the zone ID is crucial. Let's walk through this step-by-step process, making it as straightforward and comprehensible as possible. First, your journey to finding the zone ID begins by visiting the Cloudflare website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to Cloudflare's homepage. You'll need to sign in with your account credentials to access the dashboard. If you don't have an account, Cloudflare offers a seamless sign-up process that you can go through right then and there. It's important to keep your login details secure because managing your website's DNS settings is a sensitive task. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of your account and any websites or domains that are connected to your Cloudflare account. Next, you'll want to navigate to the domain whose zone ID you are interested in finding. This is normally listed prominently on the main page of your dashboard. Click on the relevant domain to open its settings. After selecting the domain, you will see a series of tabs or sections on this new page, each offering different configurations and information about your site. Look to the right side of the page under the section labeled API. This section is key to our objective, so go ahead and click there. Within this section, you'll find a wealth of information pertaining to Cloudflare's API functionality, which is what you and developers use to interact programmatically with Cloudflare services. Now, what you're looking for is labeled as your zone ID. The zone ID is a unique string of numbers and letters, kind of like an identification number for your domain on Cloudflare's network. This is useful for doing things like automating tasks or integrating with other software systems via API. Make a note of this zone ID or copy it to your clipboard for easy access later, depending on what you need it for. And that's it, you're done. Once you've identified your zone ID, you can use it in conjunction with other tools or settings within Cloudflare to better manage your domain. It can be particularly invaluable when working with third-party services that require precise DNS configuration or when writing scripts for automation. Always remember to handle your zone ID and other API credentials responsibly to maintain the security and integrity of your website. Armed with this knowledge, you're now better equipped to manage your domain like a pro. Thank you for choosing to learn with us today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides on managing your online presence.